To sum up this particular chapter, now in this application of integrals, whatever you have learned is finding the area under a curve. That's the whole point of this chapter. Now we started off with very simple, very simple figures like circle, ellipse, and you found out the area under that particular curve by using two methods. One was you were taking it as y dx and you were integrating, or you can also take it in terms of x dy. Both of them will give the same result. Then we started off by doing different types of problems, correct? Now, the first type of problem is where you have a curve, the entire curve will be there. That is like I was giving you an example, area of a circle, area of an ellipse, these kind of problems. The second type of problems is where you have a curve and a straight line. Now, when you take these two together, now you are taking one of the points of intersection between the curve and the straight line, and you are trying to figure out how do we or how you are going to get the area. The third type of problems, what you have done in this particular chapter, is area between the two curves. Two curves intersect. Now, they can intersect in one point or they can intersect in more than one point. Whatever might be the scenario, now you find the points and then you are solving the problem. Now, of all the types of problems, whatever you have done so far in this chapter, there are three methods or three, you can say three steps in solving a problem. Drawing the figure, finding the points of intersection, and then applying the formula. Now, this is specifically true for the third type where you have intersection of two curves. That is, whenever you have two curves, then always remember you have to do f of x minus g of x, understanding as to which is f of x and which is g of x. Now, this is the entire summary of the chapter, whatever you have learned so far. And then in this particular chapter, remember the drawing of the graph and then applying the formula is at most important. So this ends the chapter, application of integrals.